Hello and welcome to WordPro's channel. In this tutorial we will learn how to fix the common problem, WordPress not sending email, that faces many of WordPress users. The reason for this problem is that you did not set up any SMTP service that will handle your outgoing emails. We will use a service called Mailersend, which its free plan will let you send up to 12,000 emails per month. First, go to Mailersend.com and click on Sign Up to create a free account. Fill these information to create your account. Enter your company or your website name, then your name, email, and choose a password for your account. Finally, check the Terms box, then click Sign Up. Before starting to use this service, our account must get verified first. In order to get verified, we will have to complete those 5 steps. The first one is to click on the link that was sent to the mail we register with. Go to your email and click on the verification link, or click resend if you didn't receive it yet. The second step is to agree to the service policy. Click Start, review the policy, then click Agree. The third step is to add your website domain name. Click Start, enter your domain, then click Add Domain. The next step is to verify our domain name through adding those DNS records. This process will be a little bit different according to your domain provider. I will explain how to add them using Cloudflare, but if you are using a different service, you will find a link below to all other services such as Godaddy, Namecheap, Name.com, and others. Also, if you want to add your domain name to Cloudflare, you could check our video tutorials on how to do that on the top right corner, or check the links on the description box below. Go to Cloudflare or to your other domain provider to add these DNS records. From Cloudflare, choose your domain and go to DNS from the left menu. There are 2 cases when adding the SPF record. The first one is that you don't have any other mail servers linked to your domain, and in this case you will not find any previous SPF records, and Mailersend record will be added as a new. The other case is that you will find another SPF record in your DNS that is linked to other mailing services, and in this case we will edit this record as I will show you next. Click on Add Record button and choose TXT record from the drop-down menu. Go to Mailersend and copy the SPF record. In the name box, add the @ symbol, which means your root domain, and paste the value that you have copied in the content box. The second case is that you already have other SPF record from another mailing service. In this case, copy the Mailersend record and edit the existing SPF record in your DNS. If you put them next to each other, you will find that they differ in the include part only. So we will add the include part from the Mailersend SPF record next to the include from the existing record. After you finish, click Save and go back to Mailersend. Copy the next EKIM DNS record. Click Add Record and choose TXT. Paste the name you have copied. Go back and copy the value and paste it, then click Save. The last one is CNAME record. Copy the name and add a new CNAME record. Paste the name you copied and do the same for the value, then click Save. Now the 3 records were added to our DNS, so go back to Mailersend to verify it. Click on I have added DNS records, then click Verify Domain. You will get an email when your domain gets verified, or you could click Recheck Now. Your domain is now verified and you can start sending emails to your domain-related emails only. So if you want to use it to get emails from people submitting in your contact form or notifications emails from WordPress, you don't need the next step. But if you want to send emails to other people not related to your domain, such as sending password reset emails to your users or WooCommerce order notifications to your clients, then you have to complete the last step and get approved. To get approved, you have to complete this form about your website or your business. It's just simple questions you have to fill. I must mention that not all submitted forms will get approved, so fill this info with care as possible. The number one reason to not get approved is your website. It should look complete, or at least there is an established website, not an empty domain. In the field, tell us about your business and how you will use email. Write a short description about your website and mention that you will use emails to send password reset emails or verifications emails to your clients or users. And choose transactional in the type of messages, then click Save. Your account is waiting approval and you will get an email when you get approved or declined. Now, we are going to link our WordPress website to this SMTP service. Go to Domains from the left menu. Click on Manage next to your domain. Scroll down to SMTP and activate it. This is the information and credential we will use to link our WordPress website to this SMTP. Now open your WordPress website, then go to Plugins. There are many SMTP plugins that we could use, but in this tutorial I will show you 2 plugins only. The first plugin is the official Mailersend plugin. So search for Mailersend and install and activate their official SMTP integration. After activation, go to Mailersend SMTP from the left menu. Now, we need to fill the credential from Mailersend that I mentioned earlier. Copy the username and the password from Mailersend and paste them here, then click Save. Then fill the sender details with the information that will appear in the email. The sender name could be your website name or whatever name you want to show in your emails. Also, the sender email could be info@your-domain or whatever you prefer. After you finish, click Save. Now send a test email to see if everything is working fine. If you received this test email, it means that the WordPress not sending email problem is now solved. But I will install a different plugin that has many options and give you more control over the outgoing emails from the WordPress dashboard. Go to Add New Plugins and search for FluentSMTP. Install and activate this plugin. From the left menu, hover over Settings, then choose FluentSMTP. Click on Other SMTP to start connecting your Mailersend. As we did before, first, type an email and a name for your outgoing emails. Now, copy the credential from your Mailersend. SMTP host is the server. Then copy and paste the port number, the username, and the password. Leave the other settings as it is and save your connection settings. Your server is now saved and you could edit it from here if something is wrong. Now go to Email Test and send a test email to make sure that your setup was successful. What differs this plugin from the Mailersend official plugin is that here you have a log of every email that was sent from your WordPress. And you could see if an email was failed to be sent and choose to send it again right from your WordPress dashboard. Also, from your Mailersend account, go to Activity from the left menu and here you will find a log for your all outgoing emails. And if you go to Dashboard from the left menu, you will find a summary for your processed, delivered and rejected emails. In order to get 12,000 emails per month instead of 100, you will have to upgrade your account. Don't worry, it is free, but you must add a payment card to your account. Now, this tutorial came to an end. I hope that your WordPress not sending email problem was solved successfully. Don't forget to check the description for more information and links to other important WordPress videos.